Alright guys, we're back. Here is just going to be some practice today, and I'm going to do number 3 and 4. You guys can practice on whatever ones you want. So the first thing I want you to do is get the base 10 blocks back out again if we're starting a new day, and I want you to model doing this one. I'm going to model it showing you what it looked like when you got done, see if yours matches mine, and then we'll look at the answer. And then we'll go on to 187. I want you guys to do on your own. And then we're going to go down here and draw a quick picture. Now, your quick picture is going to be exactly what it should look like. I'll show you what that should look like as you're doing it. Let's go back to this one and get started. Okay, I have my 168 out here because that's my dividend, and I have to make it this equal groups. My advisor tells me how many equal groups I'm going to need, so I'm going to make my 12. I have 12 in this group. Now I need to make another group, so this is my leftovers. I'm going to make another group and keep my rectangle. If I look, I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it equals 14. So let's go back and see if we have that correct. We do. Now I would like you to do 4 by yourself. Put your correct answer, check with your partner, and when you get that done, then let's go down to the quick drawings, and I'll show you. That's just great, I just showed you. So let's go to this one because you haven't seen that one yet, what it looks like. So when I look at this, I'm going to do my quick draw. I'm going to do it with my base 10 so I know what my quick draw should look like. Okay, I have my 116, my 216, I don't have that. I have 216 out of my base 10, and this is the first time we've worked with 200, but we still want a rectangle. So what will that look like? Well, let's see. When we do this one, it's got, I have my 216 and I have to make a rectangle. I have to break it into, with my divisor tells me 18 equal groups. So I'm going to look here and I'm going to say, okay, I have 10, 11. Oh, I need to do what with my hundreds? I can't put this and make it equal 18 groups, so I have to do an exchange. So I'm going to exchange these. So you can see I have a equal exchange. Well, I would have. Okay, I have an equal exchange here. So I'm going to use these, and I'm going to get rid of this. And now I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So now I have 18 blocks. Now I want to make 18 more equal blocks. So I got to make it, how many extra groups do I have? Still my 6 extra, so I don't lose those. So I'm going to put a whole one here, and do I have enough to line these up? Nope. So what am I going to do with this one? I'm going to do an exchange. So if I exchange this one, I'm going to have 10 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. In this place, I'm going to do those. Now I'm going to make my equal 18. There's one group of 18 I could make. I'm going to do another group of 18. And if I line these up, I once again have my perfect rectangle. So how many groups of 18 do I have? I know I have 10, 11, 12. So my answer is 12. So if I'm going to quick draw that, I'm going to draw this. I'm going to draw 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can show you my rectangle. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys, but it shouldn't be where I can't quite see where your perfect rectangle is. So let's go back and let's look and see. Is that basically what that one looked like? Yep, it did. So I would like you to do number 7 with your partner and see how well that works. If you understand that, then you may go on, and I would like you to do probably, let's see, let's do number 2. They have a draw there, a drawing. You just have to come up with the answer by how many groups of 14 are there. I would also like you or your partner to pick one of either 3 or 4 and do. Remember, do them with the base 10 blocks and then do a quick draw, please. Then it's time to do your homework today, and please use the base 10 blocks for your homework too, if you need to, because the ones on this page 103, number 2 is exactly what we're doing. That's just a review. Then I would like you to do 4 and 6. And on page 104, you have 1, 3, 4, and 5 to do. With them, if you're dividing and it's a single digit division and you want to use the inverse operation because you've learned how to do that, you certainly can do that. You have worked on the algorithm with a single digit, you may do that too.